Today we will discuss about light. First we will see light basics, means 7th class, 7th class NCR. Okay, after that we will discuss 8th class. Okay, so it will cover all light. First light basics required. So I am discussing 7th class in part 1. Next in part 2 I will discuss 8th class. After that I will discuss previous year questions SSC like that. First light chapter 1. We will see part 1. As a part of light, first we will discuss part 1. Part 1 is 7th class. So what is light? Light is what? Light is what? Suppose light. Anything. Illuminous object. Illuminated. Okay. Suppose sunrise are. So how so before that how you are how you are unable to see objects. How you are in a position to see objects. Suppose one book is there on the table. This is room. All lights were switched off. All lights were switched off. Okay, all lights were switched off. Now you can see book on the table. No, why? Because there is no light. Suppose if the light is there, tube light, if it is glowing, then you can see this. How? Suppose if the light rays are there, na light rays. Whenever these light rays are falling on the object like this will reflect. Okay, this will reflect, and the under here our eye is there. Okay, our eye will sense this rays and recognize and send the signal to brain. Okay, like this. How you are able to see a object means because of the light rays that are falling on the object and that are reflected. Okay, that's why. So by this way we can conclude that light is required to see the objects. Right? There is no light, you can't see light, you can't see any object. How you are able to see objects? Whenever light rays are falling on the object that are reflected back and that rays are sensed by our eyes. Okay, right. Basic light basic is like like this one. Next we will see one by one. See here, you might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through the narrow opening or hole. You may have also seen beams of light from the headlamps of scooters, cars, engines, and trains. Similarly, the beam of light can be seen from the torch. Okay, where you have observed all this already. You have observed all this, no? Right? You have already observed where light is from where light is coming. See here, headlight is there. See here, tower is there. Okay, next like this. See, already we have experienced there is light like that. Now we have to see light travels along straight line. Light travels along straight line. See here. Is it true or not? How you can conclude? See here. Observe these pictures. See here. One person is there now. He is observing this candle. Okay. With what? With what? With straight, hollow pipe. Okay. He is observing. He also observing the bended pipe. Bent pipe. Okay. This was bended. This was straight line. But he is in a position to seeing this light. But he is not. Why? Here light is there now. These light rays are traveling like this in straight line. Here also here bended. So they are not in a position to travel. So By this way, you can conclude that light candle through the straight line and bent pipe. See here, light travels along the straight line. You can conclude this. Okay, these are the examples. Right. Next, see here. What is the reflection of light? Light. So here we will see reflection, refraction. Suppose this is plane, one plane. This is one plane. If in case if the light ray is coming like this, falling on the surface, and it will go back like this. This is called reflection. In some cases, this is water, this is what glass, something, any another medium like air, something. Then what happen? Some part of light will refract, will go like this. This is called refraction. This is called reflection. This is called incident ray. So what? Here is medium. Suppose a light is coming like this, it is falling on the surface, okay, and also it will go like this. This is called reflected. And in some cases, this is one medium, this is another medium. In some cases, both are different media. Then what happened? This ray is there, na, slightly bend and go. So it is called refraction. Okay, you can observe a stick in the water. This is water. This is water. Place a stick. This is air. This is one media, this is another media. So different media. Observe from above. What happened? Light rays is there, na? Stick will be like this, some bended like this. Is it true? No, but visually you are observing like this because light that reflected from water is different, right? Here this is reflected, this is reflected. Okay, right. Why you are observing different observations? Suppose here, see here, light rays are falling like this. Okay, here reflection is one way, here reflection is different way because this is another medium, this is another medium. So it will observe like this stick. Okay, in upper side like this, below like this. Next, reflection. We have seen what? Reflection. What is reflection? An example. See here, trees are there. We are observing trees in the where? Water. How? Why you are seeing? Because here water is acting as a mirror. Okay. Because of reflection of light, you are observing trees on here. Okay. Means what? Suppose sun rays are passing through these trees and falling on the this water, and again these rays are reflected back, and these are sensed by our eyes. So suppose see here, this is mirror, right? This is right, one object is there, right? Any object. How you are you are standing here, okay, right? You are seeing object here. This is mirror. You are seeing object here. How you are seeing here? So here light is there, na? Whenever light is passing through this, falling on here, and this is reflected back and reaches your eye. Same ray. This part is visible here. Okay, and another part is going like this, like this. You will see like this. This part is you will see here, like this. Your eye will see this object here. Like this only. Here trees are there. Light is coming through this, falling on the water, and this will reach your eyes. Like this you are observing this here. Okay, if there is no light here, there is no light here, there is no shadow and you can't see, right? Why you are observing this? Because of reflection of light. What is the reason for that reflection of light? See here, see here, line is seeing his face. Okay, see here, light rays are there now, falling, passing through this line and falling on water, and this again what reflected to his eyes. So she is observing his image. Okay, so all these are because of reflection of light. There is no reflection, can't see, right? Next what? Next concept we have to see what are the mirrors, concave, convex mirrors, that we have to see. Reflection of light we have completed. See here, mirror is there, light is going like here. Okay, again it is reflected like this. Okay, next reflection of light. Here it is a plane mirror. Plane mirror means like this. It is a plane mirror. Plane mirror, what happened? This is object. This is object. This is image on the mirror. Okay. Same images you are observing. Same. Okay. Right. Equivalent. Here, this is mirror. This is object. Image will be appear like this here. In some case, if you go go towards the mirror, then what happen? Image will be also come towards like this. So what happened? The distance between mirror to object equal to distance between mirror to image. This is called image. This is called object. This is mirror. So in plane mirror, what happened? These distances must be equal. Suppose this is mirror. If you are going towards the mirror, what happened? That image also coming towards the mirror like this. Okay. Suppose here this is object here. This is mirror. What will happen here? The, this distance is this one. So shortest distance is this point. Here also this point will come first. Next this line, like this image, right? Somehow this is a plane mirror. What happened? What is the shortest distance it will see? This is this one. This is shortest. This is short. Same distance. From this point to this, whatever the distance is there, this point to this point, same distance. So it is plane mirror. Plane mirror. Okay. There are three types of mirrors. What are that? Plane mirror, plane mirror, and concave and convex. So we have to see all this. Okay. What is real and what is erect? Means what is real and what is virtual? I will explain. Suppose see here, this is a glass. Suppose this is a mirror. You are here, you are observing. Your eye is there, you are observing. Suppose this is object. You are in a position to see object, light rays are falling, and the image also like here. Then what happened? Image also this side. Then what happened? This is called real image, and the image is like here. That is called image. Imaginary. Imaginary means what? This is what real and erect. Sorry, yes. Virtual, real and virtual. See here, erect means erect and invert means I will explain that also now only. This will be completed now. Okay, see here. Suppose this is a mirror, right? Here object is there. Object. Already I have explained object and image. Suppose image is this side. This is called real. Suppose image is here. That is called virtual. Virtual image. Image is this side. This is virtual. This here. This is real. In plane mirror we have seen virtual image, but here you are seeing real image this side. Suppose car glass is there, side glasses are there, or car side glass is there. You are observing the back side cars. Okay, this. So what is here? Object is here. Image is this side. So this is called what? Virtual, right? Right? Like this. Next, what we will see? What is inverted and erect? Erect, erect and inverted. This is suppose this is object, but here object image is like this. This is called inverted. If image is like this is erect. Same means erect. Reverse means inverted. So these two terms, erect and reverse, inverse, inverted. Right. Those two will be. In plane mirror, what you have seen? This is erect image. Okay, means same as not inverted. Erect means same. See here, this is what? This is object. This is image. This is erect and virtual. Okay, right. Right or left? Already we have seen. See here. This is plane mirror. He is a person. It is object. It is image. Okay. This is left hand. But here what? Right hand. Why? The distance between this object to mirror and the mirror to hand must be same. So it was like this. Okay. Next. Next spherical mirrors. What are the spherical mirrors? Plane mirrors completed. Next spherical mirrors. What are they? Suppose a spherical like this, cut it. Okay, like this, like this. Suppose here this is reflecting surface is this one, so it is called concave. Here what? Reflecting surface is this one. This is called convex light. Convex mirror, not lens, mirror. Mirror. Here what? Concave. Concave. Cave like. Okay, you can go inside. But here convex. Okay. In concave type, suppose light rays are falling like this, converging nature, like this. They will converge. Suppose this is converging like this. This is a object, this is a image. Okay, right. Converging. Okay, suppose if the object is concave, this is concave. Suppose object is very long distance. We will see what is focus, what is curvature, radius of curvature, what is the principal point, principal axis. All this we will see. Suppose the object is like here. What happened? The object is what? Inverted. Inverted and real. Object is like this. Suppose A is like this. What happened? A is below like this. Okay, inverted. But here, if the object is coming closer, closer, what happened? Inverted and real, and also big. If you come very near to this point, okay, what happened? The image is what? Image is what? Virtual and erect, right? And enlarged. This is concave, right? Next, this one, convex, like this. Whenever light rays are falling like this, they will like this. This is convex. Image will be appear like here, right? That we will see. What is convex lens? First, convex lens I have explained. Suppose teaspoon is there, outer side is bulge. This is called what? Convex. This is convex. Suppose inside you are seeing spoon inside, concave. Okay. This is concave, this is convex. See here, concave mirror. See here, here what mirror is there? Here light is there, here screen is there. Suppose light is coming like this, falling on here, and also reflected back and fall on the screen. So it is what? This is on the same side, so it is called real. And also same, see, observe here, this is inverted, so real and inverted. But here it was taken close. This object is there na, close to the mirror. So what happened? Mirror here of this image is what? Enlarged and inverted and real. Okay, right. Okay, whenever object is come close to the mirror, the image will be enlarged, and very close, too much close, then it will be what? Virtual. See here, this was very much close. So what happened? This is virtual, not real. Okay, this is up other side like this. Okay, virtual and enlarged, right? This is concave mirror, our saving mirror like this. Okay, this also you can observe. Dentist also can examine patient. Okay, larger concave surfaces. This is concave surface. See here, convex lens. Convex lens. For convex lens, what happened? This is real. Sorry, erect and erect. Image is erect. no doubt. Not inverted, correct. See here, how you are observing here vehicles means here this convex lens. This is convex lens. Why? I will explain difference between convex and not lens, convex mirror. I will explain. Convex, once again I am explaining concave mirror and convex mirror. See here, concave mirror. Next, lens is different. Okay. Convex mirror. Concave means cave like. This is one. If the object is close to here, in generally if the object is here, image also like here only. Yeah, already we have observed like this. This is one candle. Here screen is there. In the screen you are observing this image, but image must be inverted. The object is close to the mirror, then what happened? This is image will be bigger and inverted. If it is very close, very much close, what happened? Image is virtual and erect. Okay, like this. In case of convex, in the case of convex, this is object. Object is here what? Always what? Virtual. Okay, and erect. Not inverted. Okay, so like this. Next. Now, so here what we have seen, it is a bigger object. This object you are in a position to see in a small class. For that convex lens we are using. So in the vehicles you are using convex lens. Bigger vehicle is you are in a position to see in a small this one. So convex lens you are using. So magnifying glass. How you are? Next, what is lens? Already we have seen mirrors. Now we have to see lenses. What is lens? Convex lens, concave lens. Just I will tell what is lens. We will conclude. Okay, lens. This is a lens. Previously we have seen only mirrors, one part. This one part. This one part. In middle. But here it is a lens. Two sides. In the middle it was bulge. In edges it was thin here, thick. Thin, here thick, middle, here thin. But here in case of here like this. Here thin, here thick. Okay, adjust. This is concave, this is convex. In concave lenses, what is this? These are converging. Converging. In concave what? Diverging. Diverging. Right. Concave is diverging, convex is converging. But in case of mirrors, it is different. Concave mirror is converging, right? Right. Mirrors and lenses different. Yeah, see here. How you are in a position to see here, convex. This is converging, right? This is diverging. See here. Suppose if you take the converging convex mirror, place below one on paper. All sunrays are converged and focused to this one, and it was burned. So converging lens, that is convex lens, right? That are convex lens. See here, this is lens. Okay, see here, this is lens, this is object. See here, this is what virtual image. Virtual image formed, and that is also erect. Here, if it is very much close like this, it is very much close. What happened? This is real and sorry, virtual and enlarge. Here, concave. Concave means concave lens means always what diminished and virtual. Virtual and diminished. Very small concave lens. In concave lens, you will get the image very less. Okay, right. You have seen convex lenses. Questions are there relating to this? We will see. See here. We see the questions relating to mirrors and lenses. After that, we will see remaining topic in this. Here, what image that cannot be obtained on screen is what you can't obtain on screen. Means what? Suppose this is a mirror. This is here. Screen is there. You are not in a position to getting image here. Then what? You have to get image here. This is what? This is virtual. This is real. So virtual image you can't get. Virtual. The image formed by convex. Always virtual and smaller. Virtual and smaller. Suppose this is take convex mirror. Okay, what? Virtual and smaller. What? Convex mirror. Okay, suppose if you take convex lens, that is different. If it is come closer, it will be more. Suppose convex formed by dash mirror is always same size and size of the object is same, image is same means what? Plane mirror. Okay, image which can be obtained on screen is called what? Real image. Image formed by concave cannot be obtained on the screen. Concave. Okay, concave lens. Okay. Why? Concave lens means concave lens are there now like this. The image is like this. You are in a position to this side you will observe image. Okay. This is what you can't see on the screen. So it is virtual. Next word, fill in the blanks. We can obtain enlarged and erect image by convex mirror. Convex mirror. You will get what? Enlarged mirror. No. Less. Okay, false. A concave lens always form a virtual image. Concave, no, false. You can get real also. See here, lens is there. Lens. Always virtual. Lens is always virtual. Right. We can apply real, enlarged and inverted image by concave mirror. Concave, real you can get, enlarged you can get, inverted you can get. True. Right. The concave mirror always form real image. Concave always form real? No. Virtual also it will form. Right. If it is very closer, you will get virtual. Next, plane mirror. Plane mirror is what? Plane mirror. Plane mirror image object and image both sizes same. So this one is answer. Image is erect and smaller in size than no wrong. Image erect and of the same size. Fifth is answer. Right. 1 to 5th is answer. Next, convex mirror. Convex mirror is what? This is what? Convex mirror. Like what? It will always virtual and diminish. Right? Virtual erect. Even see here. Where is here? Virtual and erect and smaller. Right? right? This is answer, right? Next, convex lens. Convex lens means what? These are converging mirrors, right? This one, converging. What happened? You will get inverted. You can see enlarged image in dentist also. You see the enlarged image of teeth like this. You can see concave mirror also. You can see concave lens, magnifying glass. Okay, concave mirror. You can see in this one. Concave lens. What? You see this one. Next, concave lens. Next, by using concave mirror, image is always inverted and magnified. Right? This is also. Next, concave lens is this one, sixth one. Right? Plane mirror is size is same. Fifth answer. Convex mirror is what? This one. Convex lens is what? Magnifying glasses. Okay. Right. Like this. Okay. We will see remaining in the next class. Otherwise, we will see now only. Just only one concept is there. Rainbow is there. Okay. We will see next class. Okay. That one and the eighth class. That will, seventh class will be completed after completing this prism. After that, we will do eighth class in part two. Right.